Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. You might be wondering, what is a Microsoft account? Well, it's more than what it seems at the surface. Today I'm going to dive in and show you exactly what it can do to you. Alright, so first of all, a Microsoft account is your personal digital key offering secure and personalized access to comprehensive suites of Microsoft products and services. It acts as your unified identity across all of your devices, ensuring that your digital world is connected and consistent. So it gives you universal access. You can sign in once to access your Windows PC, Xbox console, Office apps, Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft 365, Skype, Microsoft Store, and countless other services. They really have a lot. Also, your account dashboard puts you in command. It helps you to manage your personal information, security settings, subscriptions, connected devices, payment options, and rewards all in one convenient location. Also, you can experience true continuity across all of your devices. Your files, your settings, your preferences are automatically in sync, keeping your digital life connected, consistent, and secure wherever you go. Also, some of their core of the digital Microsoft life is the unified identity. So that single sign-on for all your Microsoft applications and platforms simplifies your online experience. It's really awesome. You get a personalized experience, so you can sync your settings, your preferences, and also your data to create a consistent, tailored environment across all of your devices. Also, it protects your information with advanced features like two-factor authentication as well as fraud monitoring. And it has family management. So this gives you a suite of tools to manage screen time, app access, and also privacy settings for family members. And this is especially for children in our digital age.